JDU dagi BJP di yauksun ke MLA mangat pu disqualified to haidana tongan tonga mioi ahumna Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Tribunal ne lathangkhala kiba petition hearing sathakre speaker na petition asigi makata be hearing tha asigi tarita sathana ba matam lepkre banbay abadi MPCC ki vice president Hareswar Goswami amadi tongan tonga mioi anina MLA ke Joy Kishan ngursanglong sanate MD Asabudin thangjam Arun Kumar amadi LM Khoktebu anti defection law ki matung ina disqualified to view haidna speaker tribunal da petition thakibani tharaki petition asigi matung ina ngasi sathakiba hearing aduda MLA Joy Kishan natana atopa MLA singi counter affidavit pikhalakiti hairi hearing aduda petitioner singi council oriba and Bhuvendana speaker da counter affidavit pikhalakta MLA singbu fine na lupa lakh mga china wafam pukhat ki hairi speaker na petitioner amadi respondent singi council singi wafam tarab matungda makata hearing laliba tang tariyata sathana ba matam lekhi hairi
NPP MLAs, that will be decided only by the Honorable Speaker in the tribunal after they take up the case formally. We have filed, but that has to be taken up by the Speaker's tribunal. I presume that may be taken up by the Speakers as soon as possible because we are pushing it. Today only I orally mentioned in front of the Speaker. So let's wait and see. I don't know, that is for the Speaker to decide because in this matter, the Speaker is the ultimate authority. No one can decide on this side. It's only for the Speaker to decide what is the fate of 9 MLAs. 5 JDU MLAs have defected BJP and 4 NPP MLAs against whom we have filed a disqualification petition. So we don't know.